Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Zygarde.R, back with another video. You're probably wondering, why are you playing Legend of Zelda again? You're Zygarde.R, you're a Pokemon channel, but I just can't help myself. It's such a good game. I'm sorry. Now, last episode, we had a problema where we couldn't get heat-resistant food, or cold-resistant food, because we couldn't get to a cooking pot. Now, I actually thought of a strategy where if we sneak up to, the one where we found the peppers by? If we sneak up to there and, okay, we're here. If we sneak up to there and, attack, then we might be able to cook. Which that's our goal. So we gotta be stealthy and very, very quiet. If we get noticed, it's over. Imagine if it was raining. That would ruin everything. So if we come from this side, where they're not necessarily looking, it's not lit. The cooking pot is not lit. Shoot, he noticed us. Okay, we go back, and we wait till they de-aggro, then we cook. They still see me. All this work just to get up there. Just for up there. They can't get down. But, I can't cook. How are they still seeing me? They should be de-aggro by now. Bruh. I'm not playing with volume. Actually, hold on. If I plug in my headset to the audio jack, I might be able to hear if they de-aggro. That might be the winning strategy. Yes, okay. Now, I don't hear the music. What? Bruh. How do you see me? Well, okay, screw this. We're going for a different cooking pot. Let's see if the base we raided earlier has a cooking pot. That one. I'm not gonna be using any glitches in this run. Not sure if I told you that. I wish that was a cooking pot, but it's just a campfire. Okay. Wait, they're back? They're back? Not fair. Do we have any arrows? We do. Let's blow that place up. didn't even do anything. Well, isn't this just great? I think the enemies up here would definitely be off alert. If they're not, they have, this is gonna be very bad if they're not de-aggro. I got so far the last time. It's gonna be a very slow process. And if they see me, I'm gonna have to start all over. Summerwing butterfly, that might be useful if I get enough. Is that warm soft vanilla or just... No, it's just a plant. Oh, not you. Go. That's quite good. For early game. It's terrible late game. Does 2 damage. Cooking pot still lit, I think. No, it unlit itself? Why? Great. Why did it unlight itself? What? Is that really what master mode is like? Are we just gonna be stuck like this? I believe there's a cooking pot this way by one of the old man's camps. And what will be our plan of action when we get down from the Gray Plateau? It's gonna be to get some armor. We have armor, but it sucks. Except for the Nintendo t-shirt. That's like super OP. I think it needs a nerf. That was the camp we raided. I don't believe those kinds of camps have cooking pots. Doesn't seem like it. Yeah, they just have the campfire. Well, our options are very limited. Or, well, my options. Because I'm the one playing the game. So there's the Talus. Over here somewhere, the old man has a camp. I know he does. Why? Because how? I've played this game before. The best thing would be to find the old man's house, but, you know. Can't always get what you want. Did we already do this? Ooh. Amber. Great. Totally what we needed. There's smoke. Smoke equals fire. Fire equals cooking pot. Cooking pot equals good. That's my logic. Is it good logic? Can you guys confirm that it's good logic? Ah, it's just a regular campfire. Come on. Wait. Old man, you're a genius. Give me this. And a traveler's bow? Old man, thank you. This is what we needed. Hello? Cook. Yes! Yes! Now let's actually do this. We got some good food. And we got the food we need. Let's go. This is how you beat Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, without struggling through the cold parts on the Grey Plateau. Yeah, I have the DLC, and unfortunately Majora's Mask is just out of reach. Like, it's literally there as soon as you leave the Grey Plateau. I better hurry, because it's already been 11 minutes, so... If I hurry, I bet we can, finish the Grey Plateau. Once we get cold, we're gonna eat the, peppers, and we'll be good. I've always liked peppers. I didn't know that they were gonna save my run, and so I don't look like an idiot in front of everyone. Yeah, but this is only the tutorial of Master Mode, and I'm struggling. But once we get the good DLC, once I start abusing the DLC armor, I think we should be all good. You know, there's a plateau, like, on the plateau, so... kinda odd. Scaredy cat. I think I got one. I mean, we would need to make this trip here in the first place. Okay. Now I know that there's a enemy base camp right before the shrine, so we'll have to avoid that. Let's get the spear ready. I'll need it. You guys won't start shooting at me, won't you? Will you? Okay, they're gonna start shooting at me. Let's go. Let's leave. Okay. Spicy peppers. Save the day. What? Okay. Not gonna question that, because he's shooting electric arrows at me. So I think it's best we leave. We don't have long in here, so we gotta hustle. I gotta hustle. so I don't look like an idiot in front of all of you. I believe this one is Cryonesis. I'm not sure if we can climb that hill. But what I do know, we can climb this. Get this chest. Well, that didn't work out. We are in, guys. Let's go. Nice. Cryonesis trial. There's a guardian in this one, so we gotta be careful. I believe it's only a Guardian Scout 1 though. But it might be upgraded to Guardian Scout 2 since this is Master Mode. All the bokoblins that are usually red are now black. Or no, blue. There is one black bokoblin. If you have any questions of what my rules are in this run, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Not only does it help you out by knowing what this run's gonna be like, but it helps the YouTube comment system, or the YouTube thing system. Ow! Okay, we can parry this, we can parry. No, I can't parry, apparently. I suck at parrying. Okay, it took a long time for it to fire at us, and I know I can live a hit, so we're just gonna go. Oh, of course we have to get this. Oh, wait, it already gives us. When he notices me, we're gonna run. Worth it. Worth. Oh wait, we don't need to heal. This will heal us. Nice. Anti-speedrun strats. Die on a guardian. Now let's continue before our minutes are up. And we should be good to go. I know we'll be able to get the paraglider today. Not sure if we'll be able to leave the plateau. That's probably where I'll end. Now let's go. We gotta go. If we're gonna make it to my goal of getting the paraglider, we gotta go. Especially since the snow is so slow. That's what the snow boots are usually for, but we don't have the snow boots. Let's switch shields. You know what? Actually, we'll switch because that one Boko shield has full durability. I like to keep it that way. I could whistle sprint, but that's a glitch, so we're not going to. Now, where is this? I know it's over here somewhere. Ah, a river. My worst enemy. Think we can jump that? I think, yeah, let's do it. Well, I'm bad, so... I'm just bad at the game. We froze to death. I was gonna shield jump and get across. That didn't work. Where are we? Back here? That's terrible. Snowballs. No. Ow. Oh, Amber. We gotta go. We gotta hurry. This time, let's not make a rookie mistake while shield surfing. Wait, I don't have the paraglider. I'm so dumb. Get up, Link. Link! Bruh. What was that? Usually I can do those jumps because I have the paraglider. But on the Great Plateau, I don't have the paraglider. Okay, let's go the other way around the mountain. There goes the snowballs. Don't get. They don't see us, so that's good. What am I gonna use these spirit orbs on? Definitely hearts. Stamina, we can easily get stamina shrooms for. Hearts, not so easy. Because the stamina shrooms will replenish both our stamina and our hearts. But, other foods only increase hearts. Or only help with hearts. That's much better. I could have just went around. I could have just went around. Welcome back to Zygarde.R, where we pretend we are blind. Who saw me? Who and why saw me? The shrine's... You gotta be careful. But the shrine's over here. Can I snag that chest? No, I shouldn't. I really shouldn't. We gotta go. The shrine's over here. It's gotta be. Where is it? I know it's over here. Now where is it? It's over there. Wrong side of the mountain. Don't know if we can get back up. We can. Hopefully. Yeah, we can get back up. There's a base there, too. Man, we are out of time. Maybe I'll have to save the paraglider for next episode. Unless you want to make this a 40-minute episode. Which, not sure if you would like that, because you get a lot of complaints about the 40-minute episodes. Yes, guys, I'm self-aware. There's an iron sledgehammer around here, which would be very nice to have. That is a long fall, so just in case, we're gonna eat some apples. Link. What was that? You know, we might be able to do this. We can do this. It'll be fine. We have 4 minutes. No guardians in this. Easy shrine. That's how you beat the Great Plateau. You get good and you find a cooking pot. Now that we have all the things we need, come on, go faster, go faster, go faster. Don't have much time, go faster. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Go. Yo. Link, get ancient materials faster. Perfect. Okay, now this is the worst one. Could go for the chest, not going to. Oh, we get an iron sledgehammer here, nice. We are gonna save this with pride. Come on, Link. Fine. Gonna come back and hit us. No, okay, that's nice. You're supposed to use the sledgehammer there, but I wasn't going to. Yes. You guys all thought I wasn't gonna figure it out. Okay, we're gonna go get our heart, and then I'm gonna end the episode. Because the cutscene to get the paraglider is super long, and I know you all want to see it.
Oh!
Actually, we'll get our heart next episode. Oh, extrada. Oh, I can't. That means it is finally time. Link, it is finally time for me to tell you everything. But first, you can't just do it here, man. Imagine an X on your map, with the 4 shrines being the end of the point. Find the spot where those lines intersect. I shall wait for you there. Do you understand? Where the 2 lines connecting the shrines would cross, there I will be waiting. That's a long fall. Oh, and there's a Lionel down there, too. There's the old man's house. You know, let's not. Oh wait, can you hear that? You guys can totally hear that. I'm sorry. I thought you guys couldn't hear that. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed the video. I tried my very best. I made it through and had a good time. So I don't really have an outro for this episode. Just remember to like and subscribe. But wait, that's an outro. Bye guys.